Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Meta Business Manager account. So first things first, go to the Meta website. Next, you have to log in to your personal Facebook account. And go ahead and create one if you haven't already. Once you've logged in with your Facebook account, go back to the Meta Business Manager site and click Log in with Facebook. Once you've logged in with your personal Facebook account, go ahead and click on Create Account to make a new business account in Business Manager using your Facebook account. Feel free to name your business account whatever you wish. Also, feel free to create a new business email and add it as your business email in the Business Manager account creation process. After you filled up the details, you will be directed to the Meta dashboard. From here, you'll see a suite of options to manage your Meta business account. For the purposes of this video, on the lower left corner, click on Business Settings. From there, you'll see the people and users attached to this Business Manager account, including your personal Facebook account. What we want to do is underneath Accounts, click on Pages. Next, you want to select the Add drop-down list and then select Create a New Page. Let's select the option Local Business or Place. And from here, you can input all the details for the new page for your local business. Feel free to choose any category for your business account. For the purposes of this video, we're gonna go with Design and Fashion. Now, it's important to fill up all the details of your business page. Now, once you've filled up all the necessary details, click on Create Page. And there you go, you can now see the new page you've added for the Business Manager account. With the page selected, you can see a list of people that are now affiliated with that said page, including yourself. These people can view, edit, or delete their permissions for the page. After verifying the page that we made, on the left-hand side, click on Add Accounts. Now this time, underneath the Add drop-down list, we want to select Add an Ad Account. Now it's asking us to input an Ad Account ID. But where do we find this account ID, you may ask? Close this menu for now, and on the left-hand side, click on Instagram Accounts. Now click on Add, and then click on Connect your Instagram account. Your Instagram account details should be the same as your Facebook account details. Now, once you've added your Instagram account, click on Finish, and you should be able to see your Instagram account linked to this Business Manager site. You may follow the same steps to also add a WhatsApp account to this Business Manager. On the left-hand side, underneath Data Sources, you can also see Catalogs, Pixels, Offline Event Sets, Datasets, Custom Conversions, Event Source Groups, Shared Audiences, and Business Creative Folders. These are all different accounts that you can add as data sources for your Meta Account Manager. For now, let's focus on inviting more people to collaborate with in this Meta Business Manager. So on the left-hand side, underneath Users, click on People. Then on the upper right corner, click on Add People. Here, you can input their email addresses, and they'll be added as collaborators for this Meta Business Manager account. You can also follow the same steps to add different business partners and system users to help collaborate with this Meta Manager. Now, the last thing to take note of when setting up your Meta business account is to double-check your billing and payments list. So on the left-hand side, scroll down until you see Billing and Payments. Go ahead and click that, and it'll direct you to the Billing and Payments list for your Meta account. From here, you can add any ad account or even any WhatsApp account that you've added in the previous list and add them as a billing and payment account for your Meta Business Manager. You can even set up those accounts as different payment methods to receive payments through your Meta Business account. You can also view a list of the different payment activities going on through your business manager. There are a ton of different options and suites available when managing your Meta Business account. But other than that, you've done all the basics. You have finally set your Meta Business Manager account. Don't be afraid to explore the manager and see all the different tools and settings that you could do. If you have any other comments or inquiries, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you've learned something new, and tune in for more easy and quick tutorials. More to follow, and have a good one, everyone.